Data is information we gather and see, numbers and facts about you and me. We collect it to learn what's true, to answer questions we're curious to do. First we ask a question that we want to explore, like what fruit do kids like more? Good questions are clear and fair, so everyone answers with care. We can ask, observe, or measure too. Count how many, time what you do. Tally marks help us keep it neat. Each group of 5 makes counting complete. Next we sort data into groups by color, size, or favorite soups. Sorting helps us clearly see what belongs where logically. Graphs show data in a picture way, so we understand it right away. Bar graphs, line graphs, picture graphs too. Each one shows what the numbers do. The bottom shows categories we choose. The side shows numbers we use. Taller bars mean more in that group. Shorter bars mean fewer in the loop. Patterns are things that repeat or grow, like up, down, up, or slow, then go. We look for changes, trends, and more to see what the data has in store. When we see a pattern clear and bright, we can guess what comes next, right? The guess is called a prediction based on data, not just fiction. Weather charts, sports scores too, school lunches, animals at the zoo. Data helps us plan and decide, and understand the world wide.
Hi, data detectives. Sparkie here. Ready to solve a number mystery? First, we ask a clear question. Watch this. What is our class's favorite pet? That's a good question because everyone can answer it. Now we collect data. Data is information we gather. Every time someone says dog, we make a tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tallies make a bundle, so counting is easy. Next, we count our tallies and sort them into groups. Dogs 7, cats 5, fish 3, birds 2. Let's turn our numbers into a bar graph. Pets go on the bottom, numbers go up the side. Bars grow to match each number. Which bar is tallest? Dogs. That means dogs are the most popular pet. And the shortest bar? Birds. That means fewer kids chose birds. Look closely. Do you see a pattern? More kids like furry pets than pets with fins or feathers. When we use data to guess what might happen next, that's called a prediction. I predict that in another class, dogs might still be the most popular pet. You just collected data, made a graph, found a pattern, and made a prediction. That's what real data detectives do. Question 1. What is data? A. A kind of animal. B. Information we collect. C. Only big numbers. Answer B. Question 2. What helps us count in groups of 5? A. Circles. B. Tally marks. C. Lines on paper. Answer B. Question 3. If one bar is taller than the others, what does that mean? A. It is the smallest group. B. It is the largest group. C. It is not important. Answer B. Question 4. What is a pattern? A. Something that repeats or changes in a way we can see. B. A random guess. C. A kind of graph. Answer A. Question 5. What do we call a smart guess based on data? Answer, a prediction.